It's time for an impromptu Coach unboxing. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'm Jen. I just got this delivered from UPS. We're gonna open this together. In my previous video, I ordered something from the Coach Reloved program and the shipping material could have been better. And I also saw some other content creators kind of echoing similar sentiments, including Minnie from Minx for All, who got some pretty subpar packaging when she ordered something from Coach. So I ordered this from the Coach retail sale, and it was pretty good deal. And I did notice when it was delivered, it came in a box, so that was good, no just bubble mailer or whatever. And then it also came in a gift box. This also was fulfilled by a store. So I'm thinking maybe there was a difference there. It did come directly from a Coach store in Orlando and not some sort of fulfillment center or warehouse. So what did I get? It's a fairly small item. Sort of a, I could say it's an SLG. Oh, all right, let me do more of a dramatic reveal here. Ooh, yes, it is the Coach pouch bag with quilting. And this is Napa leather, I believe. This feels kind of similar to my Strathberry East-West mini quilting. I got it in the color Sage. I have been checking out this bag for quite a bit. It was really marked down, so I was like, all right, I guess I'll hit checkout. Okay, I don't see anything wrong with it. All right, let's take this out of the box here. I mean, at least it came with sufficient packaging. This is either a wristlet or a clutch, or it also apparently is supposed to come with a chain. Really pretty item, and it's got this beautiful pillow quilting. All right, let's check it out for any defects or whatnot. Okay, not really noticing anything to note. It comes with a little hang tag here. And what I like about this item, I'm planning to use it more as like an SLG than a real bag. It does feel kind of delicate, so I am a little bit afraid. I just think this is such a cute little item. Okay, it has a leather lining in it, and it comes with a short Coach chain. This is in the brass finish. And one thing I'm planning to do with this chain is use it with my new Coach Kip Turn Lock crossbody, which has matching hardware. So I could use the chain for other bags, which I think is cute. Oh, this is adorable. I think this is such a cute little versatile item because you can use it as a little pouch in another bag. You could use it as a clutch. It could be a wristlet, or it could be a little bag for like a night out on the town. I think this color is gorgeous. I've been checking out the sage color for a while. Man, this is such a little cutie here. All right, let's get a close up here. Check it out. Has some piping detail on the edge here. I am a little bit worried. I had to return another Napa leather bag from Coach just because there was some issues with the finish. I bought the Coach Mira in a beautiful pink color, and it just was already having some issues with the finish cracking. All right, tags. All right, it doesn't seem to be like return or anything, so that's good. And it has these card slots, so I think that's pretty nice. The inside is supposed to be leather. The card slots feel like it's polyurethane and not leather. And I believe the Coach Creed on the inside also might not be real leather. So the leather does feel pretty delicate. I would be a little bit worried about getting it scuffed or scratched. Okay, it does smell like leather. That is always I know, I like to smell leather. I know it's weird. I'll show you the phone. This is an iPhone 13 Pro. Look at this. It definitely fits in easily, so you can certainly get a phone in here. You're not gonna be able to fit like a ton of stuff. Phone inside. Let's see how bulky it is. Is this a good item to pick up? It comes in a bunch of different colors. The more like seasonal colors were on sale, and I think the black and the chalk were on sale too, but the black sold out really quickly. This one sold out pretty quickly as well. All right, so far I think this is cool. And I do like that up at the top, you can see the leather is folded over, so it's not just like a raw edge with glazing on it. All right, let me take off the wristlet here and we'll put the strap on. I wasn't sure what I would think about this in person, but it is really nice quality. The leather is very luxurious feeling. I think it looks nice. I'm not noticing any issues with the finish, so that is good. There is a little bit of creasing, but I think that's pretty normal for this type of leather. And you can attach other straps to this as well. So if you have like this might actually be cool with like a guitar strap on it. Let me show you a little close up here. Not really sure which way you're supposed, all right, so I guess you're supposed to wear it like this way, I guess. Here, I'll put it on my shoulder too so you can see. I'll do a quick mod shot. This is a real, like I was not expecting to get this today. Here's what it looks like on the shoulder. I'm a little bit under 5'4". It is really cute. It's a good, I think it's a good drop here. And my shoulders are also really small. So just know that my shoulders are tiny and I have like toothpick arms. So if you don't have my body type, this might look a little bit different on you. But yeah, this is super cute. I love, it kind of matches my whole room here as far as the paint color and whatnot. And I'm glad, Coach, thank you for actually sending this in a gift box, in another box, so it didn't get like smushed or damaged. But I think that might make a difference is that it was fulfilled by a retail store and not from one of the fulfillment centers. So I don't know. I don't know if they're like running out of gift boxes or whatnot. So that's my quick unboxing and first impressions of the Coach pouch bag with pillow quilting in the color Sage. Yeah, I think this is cool, especially since I got it on sale. I think it was a pretty good deal. Plus, I think this is a very versatile little leather piece. So I'm pretty happy. I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. Subscribe if you also love handbags and just want to talk about them all day long. I'll see you again in the next one.